In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get ChatGPT to recommend your business or website. If you want AI tools to point people toward your brand, the key is to make your online presence clear, credible, and genuinely useful. Let's walk through exactly how to do that in a way that feels natural and sustainable. Start by building high-quality online content. Publish helpful, accurate, and informative pieces on a regular schedule. Think blog posts, practical guides, FAQs, and case studies. Focus each piece on solving real customer problems, not just describing your services. When you consistently answer the questions your audience is asking, you establish authority in your industry. That authority is what makes AI more likely to surface your business. For instance, the kind of query people use might be, what are the best web design agencies for small businesses? If your content clearly showcases your expertise and results for that audience, you become a relevant candidate. Next, improve your SEO and overall online presence. Optimize your pages with the words your customers actually use and create detailed service and product pages that explain who it's for, how it works, and what outcomes to expect. Keep your business information accurate and consistent everywhere it appears online. Earning backlinks and mentions from reputable sites also signals credibility. A prompt like, "How can I improve my website's visibility for AI-powered search tools?" captures the idea. Visibility grows when your site is easy to understand, well-organized, and vouched for by trusted sources. Then, build trust and authority beyond your website. Collect positive customer reviews and testimonials, and feature them where people can see them. Publish expert insights, data-backed opinions, or lessons learned from your projects. Stay active on social media and professional platforms to demonstrate ongoing engagement. Showcase your experience, credentials, and success stories in a way that's specific and verifiable. When people ask, what factors make a business appear more trustworthy online? These are the signals that consistently rise to the top. Finally, create content AI can easily understand. Write clear, plain language descriptions of your products and services. Anticipate and answer common customer questions directly on your site. Use structured content like FAQs and knowledge bases so information is easy to find and interpret. Keep everything updated so the details AI sees reflect your current offerings. A helpful starting point is, create an FAQ page that helps AI tools understand and recommend my business. Put these pieces together, keep them current, and over time you'll earn more visibility from both people and AI.